Your entryway may be one of the smallest square footages in your home, but it holds immense power to set a lasting first impression while elevating everyday functionality. Welcome to NeoLuxe Space. In today's video, we are exploring inspiring, high-impact design solutions for small entryway makeovers that add real property value. We'll cover smart storage, floating furniture, hidden hooks, modern layered lighting, and spatial tricks that transform a cluttered foyer into a stylish, curated entrance. Whether you are updating an apartment or a modern residence, these principles combine quiet luxury, efficiency, and long-term home value. The foyer is frequently overlooked during home renovations, yet it is the very first space experienced upon stepping inside. Whether you are welcoming guests or positioning your home for the real estate market, your entryway establishes an immediate perception of quality. Instead of viewing limited square footage as a constraint, strategic interior upgrades can turn a compact entrance into an organized, high-end transition zone. Thoughtful space planning here yields one of the highest returns on investment in residential design. Scattered footwear, overflowing bags, and loose mail instantly make even a luxurious home feel cramped and chaotic. Eliminating visual clutter is the fastest way to elevate a foyer. Implementing hidden storage, floating ledges, and dedicated drop zones establishes a clean visual slate. Buyers and guests subconsciously associate an organized entryway with a meticulously maintained home. Investing in sleek, concealed storage delivers the polished look of professionally staged interiors. Incorporating wall-mounted or floating furniture is a masterstroke for small entryways. A floating console table or suspended bench exposes uninterrupted floor area, creating an illusion of spaciousness. This contemporary design technique enhances visual lightness and improves circulation. Hidden shallow drawers keep keys, wallets, and mail out of sight, while the open tabletop allows for a few curated decorative accents like a stone vase or sculptural object. Retractable or flush-mount wall hooks are an understated architectural detail with massive functional impact. Unlike traditional coat racks that crowd the wall, retractable hooks fold completely flat when not in use. This minimalist feature keeps coats, umbrellas, and bags accessible during daily routines without disrupting the wall's clean lines, maximizing vertical space in compact apartments and townhomes alike. A strategically placed mirror is a classic architectural tool to expand tight proportions. In a foyer, a large mirror captures available light and reflects it deeper into the home, creating an illusion of added depth. Framed mirrors double as statement art pieces. Positioned above a floating console, a mirror serves a practical purpose for last-minute checks while making the entire entrance feel brighter and significantly larger. Poor lighting can make a small foyer feel cold and uninviting, regardless of how fine the materials are. Layered lighting, combining architectural wall sconces, concealed LED strips, and ambient pendants, adds warmth and highlights fine textures. Integrating warm 2700K to 3000K lighting or motion sensor LED coves enhances wood grain, stone, and wall paneling, giving modest entryways a custom, high-end feel. Achieving a luxury aesthetic in a small entryway doesn't demand an excessive budget, it requires material intentionality. Focus on high-touch surfaces that offer durability and tactile richness. Matte black hardware, natural walnut or oak finishes, subtle travertine accents, and textured linen wall coverings elevate the entrance instantly. Neutral palettes featuring warm whites, greys, and soft taupes maintain a timeless look with broad appeal. An entryway must be as functional as it is beautiful. Custom-designed pull-out shoe drawers, vertical shelving, and built-in benches optimize awkward nooks without sacrificing walkway space. Giving every everyday item a designated, hidden place eliminates friction during morning routines while maintaining an effortless, clutter-free aesthetic. A successful foyer balances practical utility with personal character. Rather than crowding surfaces with small trinkets, adhere to the principle of curation over collection. A single framed abstract print, a sculptural ceramic vase, or a lush indoor plant adds warmth and quiet sophistication without overwhelming the room's sightlines. The most impactful home upgrades blend beauty, daily functionality, and lasting property value. Transforming an entryway check all three boxes effortlessly. By refining storage, lighting layers, material choices, and circulation, you turn a small transitional space into a major selling point and a welcoming arrival point for your home. In homes where the front door opens directly into the living or dining room, creating a defined entryway zone without building walls is essential. Using a low-profile console table, a change in floor material, or a slatted wood screen establishes a clear architectural boundary while maintaining an open, airy floor plan. When natural daylight is available near the entrance, maximizing its reach is key. Glazed front doors, transom windows, or side lights invite daylight into dark hallways. Combining sheer window coverings with light reflective wall surfaces ensures daylight bounces smoothly through the foyer, making the entire home feel brighter from the moment you step inside. To keep your small entryway looking high-end, avoid these frequent design pitfalls. First, avoid oversized furniture that blocks natural foot traffic. Second, steer clear of harsh, single overhead lighting that casts deep shadows. Lastly, refrain from using open coat racks that expose visual clutter. Concealed options always maintain a cleaner, more refined look. A small entryway makeover proves that square footage never limits great design. Through smart storage, floating elements, layered lighting, and curated materials, even the most compact foyer can deliver quiet luxury and daily calm. Thank you for watching. If you found these design insights valuable, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more interior design masterclasses on NeoLuxe Space.